cherry. Cherry. 1, 2, 3 apples. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 apples. 1, 2, 3 cherries. 1, 2, 3 apples.
How many total are there?
1.
Just one? Yeah.
1, 2, 3 cherries. 1, 2, 3 cherries. 1, 2, 3 cherries. 1, 2, 3 cherries. 1, 2, 3 cherries.
Those are candies.
Candies.
1,
2, 3 apples. Apples.
Are you sure those are apples? Those look like lollipops.
1, 2, 3 apples. 1, 2, 3 cherries.
Those are candy canes.
Candy canes.
1,
2, 3 candies.
That's right. 1, 2, 3 candy canes. How many lollipops?
1, 2, 3 lollipops.
I see 4 lollipops.
1, 2, 3 cherries. 1, 2, 3 cherries. 1, 2, 3 apples. 1, 2, 3 apples.
Those look like veggies.
1, 2, 3 clams. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 13.
Wow, good job. You're a good counter.
1, 2, 3 cherries. Cherries.
Those are bowling pins.
1, 2, 3 bowling pins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 kitties.
9 kitties.
Kitties.
Yeah?
Kitties.
That's really good counting, and you're only 2 years old.
1, 2, 3 cars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cars. 1, 2, 3 cars.